Hey everyone, Harris here with iDownloadBlog. So this is going to be a quick video, but Apple has finally offered their year in review type feature for Apple Music. This competes with Spotify's Wrapped or Music Year in Review that they do at the end of every year, and Spotify users get to spoil themselves by seeing their most listened to songs and albums and artists for the past year. Well, now Apple is doing that too. If you go to replay.music.apple.com on pretty much any web browsing device and you just log into your account, you'll be able to analyze your music, and then it'll tell you your top 100 songs for the past year, how many hours total you've listened, your favorite artist, how many hours you've listened to them. Same with albums and how many times you've played it. But what's also cool is that you can look back at all the years that you've had Apple Music. So for me, I get 4 additional years of data of top songs. It's not quite the same data that you'd get just with this past year, but you can also add all of these years to your library, so you can have your top songs that will auto update as well as you're listening to more and more music. And you can try this out on both your computer or your phone, but it's a really nice feature that finally allows Apple Music users to see and kind of reminisce, get some nostalgia for their most played songs, albums, artists, etc. for the past year and past years with Apple Music. Anyway, let me know if you use Apple Music or Spotify, and if you use Apple Music and you're excited for this, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.